afternoon, and welcome to the latest edition of Scots Hockey, the JV Squad. It is Saturday, January 18th. Today's contest is between the Scots and their crosstown rivals, SPA.
Dion, what's the mascot for SPA? What are they, the Spartans or something?
The SPA Spartans, in the lovely confines of the Chuck. Both squads coming off a drubbing at the hands of Holy Angels, who are, of course, the class of the Tri-Metro Conference. So this game should be a lot more competitive. Teams should be at a more similar level today. Starters today, we've got Max Johnson in net. Looks like Varun Alter is going to start alongside Will Chatterjee in the back. At center, we got Jacob Pozega getting things going, and he'll be joined by Cale Rickson to his right and Jameson Nonemacher to his left. 17-minute periods, and we're off. SPA comes up with it initially. Now it is back in the SPA zone. Nonemacher is going to grab the loose puck. He tries to drop it to SPA. Chatterjee steps up and holds the zone. And that's Pozega now getting on the end of it. Puck squirts along the sidewall. Varun steps up and holds the zone. Rickson with it on his stick, and he gets it off pass for a quick shot in the right circle to Pozega. Now cross-ice pass a little out of Jacob's reach. Jacob with a quick shot. That one's sticked aside. Good first shift here in the offensive zone for the Scots. Chatterjee battling at the half wall to hold the zone. Cale steps back to cover for him, and puck ends up down in the Scots zone. Varun picks it up, and Varun now changes direction at the half wall, and he's going to get it to his partner Chatterjee. Chatterjee with it, trying to get it back to Varun. Picked off by SPA and now rimmed along the sidewall. Puck at the point, sent back down low. And SPA battling with Varun. Now it gets ahead to Soren at the half wall. Soren needs to get rid of it. Kind of gets stuck on it. And we do clear the zone. Not too far though. Soren with a big hit at center ice. SPA gains the zone. Quick shot comes in from just about the half wall. And Max covers that. And we'll have a face-off. And we win the face-off. That's Brennan getting it back to Henrik. Henrik gets it ahead, but SPA picks it off at the point. Shot comes in from the blue line, not much on it. And now it's sticked aside. It's picked up by Isaac Miller. He gets it over to Kanan Nonemacher. Nonemacher chasing it. And Brennan comes over to help hold the zone. He's down there with Kanan now. And Kanan ties up his man in the corner. Brennan jumps up, and it's loose. Henrik steps up from the point and gets it into the center, but it's picked off by SPA. And SPA fires in a shot, and no goal. It looked like that might have been barred down, but no signal from the referee, and we go the other way. Keenan with a quick shot from the left circle. That sure looked like it went into me. Dion's staying quiet, but so we have no goal. I don't even think Max saw that one. That thing had some serious heat. Just wired in from the left side. But we dodge a bullet and still scoreless. 14:48 to go in the third. We win the faceoff. Chatterjee sends it back down. And we come up with it behind the net. Great chance there. Centering pass. That one went to Pozega, and he's denied, but we still have the puck. Cale with it now behind the net. He centers again. That's deflected out by SPA, and they'll be forced to ice it. So they should have had that shot a little bit against the run of play if it would have counted, as Scots have been controlling things for the most part early. Julian Loreen out to take the face-off. He's got Soren to his right and Evan to his left. We win the face-off. Kishel sends in a quick wrister from above the circle. That one gloved. So we'll do it again. Julian steps up, ties it up, gets it to Soren. Soren's going to try to stick it in with his backhand. No dice there. Now he's behind the net with it. Looking to center. He centers to Evan. Good chance. That one goes wide. And Soren gets it back out to the corner. And now it looks like SPA is going to skate out of the zone. Alex pokes it away. And now it's sent down to the corner. Chatterjee across. And we get a delayed offside call. Brennan out for the face-off. Got Keenan and Isaac with him. Brennan wins it, gets it across to Varun. And now it's at the red line. Sent into the zone. Glove down by Felix. He gets across ice to Isaac. A little out of his reach. And SPA now trying to clear. And they do get it into neutral ice. Picked up by Brennan. Changes direction. Now gains the zone. Brennan with a good centering pass. And picked up by Isaac. Isaac trying to get behind the net. And puck is loose. Chance for Brennan. Now a chance for Keenan. It was behind Keenan, so he was not able to gather it and stick it in. And SPA dumps it. And it's played out to the right by Max. Felix with some speed now. He skates out of the zone and just jumps right up into the play. Felix looking to go coast to coast. Gets it down to the corner and now behind the net. Jamison picks it up, absorbs the check, and puck is loose. Jamison gloves it down behind the net. He drops it to Kale. Kale with it. Kale with some good stick handling. That shot deflected aside by the netminder. Jamison looking to drop to Felix. Felix a little off balance for that one. And Varun backhands it back into the zone, but we had to tag up. Poked aside by Felix. Good chance now for Jamison as SPA are caught in a change. Jamison with a quick shot. Wrister from above the circle on the left side, and that one gloved by SPA. Julian back out to the dot to take this face-off, which is on the near side in the SPA zone. He gets it into the corner. Now it's picked up by Evan. And Evan with a good centering pass to Julian. His shot goes wide. Alex with a good centering pass. That's deflected. Nearly goes in. Evan looking to pick it up. Puck is loose. And Soren took a whack at it, but it's whistled dead. Julian ties up his man. The puck is still kind of sitting there. Now Evan gets it down to the corner. Julian battling, and he's going to come up with it. He gets it to Soren. Soren now gets tied up and still on it. Soren's going to walk around and look for the shot, and he buries it. Soren just walks over to the slot and goes top shelf, and that's the opening goal, 1-0. So that line off to a good start. They've been grinding down there and getting some good chances. And they're rewarded for their hard work on that one. So that one coming at 5:02 of the first period. Brennan on the face-off, and Chatterjee sends in a shot. That one on target and sticked aside.
And even strength unassisted goal by 5:02 of the first period for number 20, Soren Kreuzer.
So there's your call. Kreitziger at 5:02, unassisted. Brennan with the puck, and his centering attempt bounces off the side of the net, and now SPA picks it up and clears. Should be icing. Yes, we'll get icing. So we'll head back down. Jacob on the face-off. SPA comes up with it, and they're forced to ice it again. So we'll head back down. Jacob on the draw. And he comes up with the puck, backhanded attempt. That one goes wide. Jacob battling down low with it, and now SPA comes up with it and clears. That should be icing. It is. We'll head back down for another face-off. Jacob at the dot, and looks like Jameson comes up with it for a moment. Now SPA tries to clear, bouncing puck dealt with by Henrik. Jacob now trying to keep it in the zone, but SPA comes out with it and gets through neutral ice. Puck down to the corner, Henrik picks it up, changes direction, still trying to clear the zone under some pressure. And Henrik skating through. Felix picks it up. He goes cross ice to Kale. And Kale looking for a stretch pass. It's deflected off of an SPA stick. So Jameson will head down to the corner to battle for it. And he comes up with it, looking to drop. Not enough on it. SPA picks it up, and it's like too many men on the ice. Going to get called against the Scots. So bench penalty, and to figure out who's going to serve it.
Let's go, set it up for Martins, let's go.
Looks like Soren and Chatterjee having a convention to decide who's going to serve that penalty, and it ends up being Chatterjee. But it's a bench penalty, too many men on the ice. So that comes at 6:41 of the first, and SPA will go on the power play for 2 minutes. Julian out to take the face-off. And puck is loose, comes out to Alex Kishel, and Henrik's clearing attempt goes off one of the zebras, and it's deflected to SPA. SPA walking the line.
Bench penalty for too many players on the ice. Penalty will be served by number 3, Will Chatterjee. Time of the penalty, 6:41.
SPA doing a pretty good job so far, trying to set things up on their power play. And now they have it in the corner, kind of walking around. They drop it to the point. Quick wrister comes in. Not a ton on that one. Sticked aside by...
Central Academy full strength.
I've been getting an error message that something's not recorded. This thing's been acting goofy. I think I'm not really Let me try. I'm gonna try something
Scoring for Highland Central. An even strength goal at 13 minutes of the first period. Number 14, Brennan McMahon. Assisted by 19, Jacob Boziga, and 11, Cale Rickson. McMahon from Boziga and Rickson for the Scots at 13 minutes even.
He comes up with the offensive zone. Stokes tries to take his man off the play, creates a turnover. Battle back behind the net, coughed up. Shot does not get through. Soren enters the neutral. Regains possession. Julian holds the line. SPA turns over. Kanan creates a turnover. Tries to toss one on net just wide. Head up ice. Heavy check in here. Alex holds his guy to perimeter. They do get a shot off just off the side of the net. And tries to slow things up. Will Chatterjee grabs the puck, shakes it, sums it up. Back into the zone we go. Back with Jacobs. up front. Yale gets it.
You can hear me now. And we just scored our third goal. I think Kale with it.
Looks like we're getting sound.
So just about down to 1 minute remaining in the first. There it is. Henrik comes up with it. He gets it out to the high slot. Slapper comes in from Varun. That one goes wide, and SPA picks it up and sends it down. Picked up behind the net by Jamison. He gets it ahead to Varun, and SPA sends it back in. They're offside.
Scoring for Highland Central at 15:46 of the first period, number 11, Cale Rickson. Assisted by 19, Jacob Pozega, and 44, Jameson Nonemacher. Rickson from Pozega and Nonemacher for the Scots at 15:46.
So Rickson from Pozega and Nonemacher at 15:46 of the first. Scots with a 3-goal lead. Julian on the draw. He wins it, gets it back to Felix, and that's over to Soren at the half wall. Soren trying to hold off his man, and does just enough for Chatterjee to get on it. Chatterjee now through neutral ice, and he's stick handling at the half wall. Changes direction, and SPA sends it back down. About 15 seconds to go. Felix going to pick it up. Looks like everybody's changing. And Felix skates up, fans on his pass initially, and then gets it ahead to Julian. Julian looking to pressure behind the net. And that'll do it for the first period. So great opening period from the Scots. They take a 3-0 lead into the break. So good goals from Kreitziger, Nonemacher, and Rickson in that order. But we dodge a bullet, and we're able to clear. SPA sends it back down into the corner. Max out to play it, and that one is trouble. So Max not able to get enough on that clearance, and SPA picks it up and, of course, has an easy open net to finish. That'll make it 3-1, and that goal coming pretty early, 1:16 of the second period. Right here. So the puck is rolling down into the SPA zone. Jamison in pursuit. And SPA looking to enter our zone now. They do. Quick wrister comes off. Save down from the right circle. Good pass over to Kale, who gets off a quick wrister and sends it in. And save frozen by the SPA netminder. So we will restart things from the near side in the SPA zone. Loreen out to take the face-off. And he gets it into the corner. Soren pursuing it. Now Evan has it in the opposite corner. He overskates it a bit, but comes up with it again at the half wall. And trying to hold the zone now. Good hold from Henrik, who steps up from the point. SPA with it, sends it against the sidewall. Henrik holds again, sends it down low. And SPA has it. And they're going to skate out of the zone. Shot goes well wide. And now Henrik back contesting in the corner. Julian pokes it out, gets it to Henrik. Henrik now skating ahead. Good cross-ice pass to Soren. It kind of in his skates and does enough to hold off his man. And him and Evan get tangled up, and Felix then just dumps it in low, and we change. Clearing attempt, bouncing puck, bounces over Chatterjay's stick, and he's got to track back.
Minor penalties been assessed to Scott, 66. Ex-official committee cross-check at 10:15. Scoring for Highland Central. Second shorthanded goal of the day for number 21, Finn Warner. Assisted by number 20, Søren Kreuziger, and 33, Felix Scholl. Warner, his second from Kreuziger and Scholl for the Scots at 10:34.
Same problem. Oh yeah, it does. Okay. Too many connectors. All right, we're back, I think. Got a slightly different setup now. Is that a shorthanded goal? So Finn Warner scores 2 shorthanded goals on 2 different power plays. for SPA. And we're up 6-1, 4:25 to go in the game. And that's Chatterjee battling behind the net. And we clear the zone. That'll be icing. 4:08 to go. And we win the face-off. Puck rimmed around the end wall. And now it's loose and picked up by Brennan initially. Then SPA gets it back. Brennan tosses it forward to the red line and gets dumped down low. Felix picks it up. He goes to Soren at the half wall. Soren overskates it a bit. Gets tied up. Looks like somebody broke a stick. I think it's Felix. Felix broke his stick, so Mom and Dad are a little bit poorer today as a result of that. Quinn picks up the puck at the point, stick handles, and goes across the blue line to Varun. His shot is wide. That's picked up by Soren behind the net. Soren walking around back there with it. And loses the handle, changes direction. Now he goes back down to the corner, gets tied up. And puck is loose in the slot and picked up by the Spartans. And Brennan's going to get hit with a tripping call. 3:07 to go in this one, and SPA will go on another power play, which hopefully means we'll score another goal since we'll be shorthanded. Apparently we play better when we're shorthanded. Keenan out to take the face-off, and he wins it. Backhands it up to the line, sent in, and is wide. Puck picked up by Chatterjee, and Chatterjee is able to clear the zone. That one headed all the way down. And goalie plays it forward, picked up by Chatterjee again. That one off the plexiglass and played by SPA's netminder. Kanan back there looking to pick it up. He's got 3 SPA defenders on him as he stalls and is doing a great job of killing off this penalty. Puck still stuck back there. And finally SPA able to dislodge it after an extended sequence there from Kanan. Big hit from Isaac, and now Quinn picks up the loose puck. He leaves it for Kanan, who sends it into one of the zebras and then picks it up out of a pile of snow and whips it down to the end. SPA looking to regroup. Penalty more than halfway over. Finn Warner sends it back into the SPA zone. And now it's poke checked away by Finn. And we have another short-handed goal. That is the 4th short-handed goal of this contest. And that's Evan who gets that one. That goal coming at 15-15. Puck is picked up by Henrik. He sends it down low. And that was Alex Kishel chasing. Now it gets loose to Felix. Felix gets his pocket picked, though. And Varun back to defend. Varun blocks the shot. And the rebound is saved by Max. Henrik on the draw, and we do ultimately come up with it. Felix comes up with it. And that's the end of the power play, which is probably a good thing for SPA. Centering pass from Jamison.
Highland Central, a short-handed goal at 15:15 of the third period. Number 27, Evan Ship. Assisted by 21, Finn Warner, and 28, Varun Alter. Ship from Warner and Alter, short-handed for the Scots at 15:15.
So that last goal coming shorthanded, Ship from Warner and Alter at 15-15, and that makes it 7-1. This game just about over, and one last icing call on SPA. So that'll do it. I'd forgotten we were into running time. 7-1 victory for the Scots, courtesy of four shorthanded goals in the third period, including 2 during a major penalty. So that'll do it for us, and hopefully we'll get a similar result with varsity.